Hello students, today again we are continuing with biology chapter number 11 enhancement of food production part 5. Okay, we are studying the chapter enhancement of food production. Okay, in this chapter, in our last lecture we have studied about tissue culture technique, micropropagation and advantages of micropropagation. But since there is reduction in the syllabus, 25% of your syllabus has been reduced, so this topic that we have studied in our last lecture has got deleted. Okay, and the initial chapter that we have studied, the full chapter, that is molecular basis of inheritance, chapter number 4, none of the topic is being deleted from that chapter. Okay, from that chapter not a single topic has been deleted, so students focus on that chapter more because that chapter is very much important, so nothing has been deleted from that chapter, just remember that. Okay, now from this topic that we are studying, from this chapter that we are studying, some of the topics have been deleted. So first, before starting with the new topic, today's topic, we will see the topics that are being deleted from this chapter. Okay, so the topic from this chapter that are deleted is 11.2 plant breeding. We have studied this topic, plant breeding, aims of plant breeding, technique of plant breeding. So this whole topic is deleted for this current academic year. Then 11.3 tissue culture that we have studied in our last lecture, this topic has also been deleted from the syllabus. Okay. Then 11.4 single cell protein, which we were supposed to study, but since now it has been deleted, so we will not study this topic. Okay, and 11.6 animal husbandry has been deleted from this topic, from this chapter. Okay, so more than this part has been deleted from this topic. Okay, that is 11.2, just make a note of it again. We have studied 11.2 and 11.3, but 11.4 we were supposed to study now, but we will not study since it has been deleted. Okay, so 11.2 plant breeding, 11.3 tissue culture, 11.4 single cell protein and 11.6 animal husbandry has been deleted from this chapter for this current academic year. So but the remaining topics are there for the exam, so we will study all those topics. Today we will study the 11.5 that is there in the exams, that topic. Okay, the topic we will study today, 11.5 biofortification, that we will study, and then we will continue with 11.7 directly since the 11.6 topic is deleted. Okay, so let us start studying the topic 11.5, that is biofortification. When I say biofortification, what does that mean? So let us study. Okay, so you can see this slide. 75% of the poor and 25% are rich. When we talk about the population in India, we can say that more than, okay, as per the percentage, it is 75% of the poor people and 25% are rich people. We can say that more than 850 million people in the world, I am talking about the whole world, okay, more than 850 million people in the world have to struggle hard to meet their daily requirement, daily nutritional requirements. Okay, a far greater number of people suffer from protein, vitamin, micronutrients deficiency, or we can say that hidden hunger, because they are unable to afford their required fruits, vegetables, fish, meat, etc. Okay, we can say that more number of people are suffering from hidden hunger or we can say that they are suffering from micronutrients deficiency because they are not able to afford the required fruits, vegetables, etc. Okay. So the diet without proper contents of micronutrients like iron, vitamin A, iodine and zinc makes the people susceptible to diseases and reduces the average lifespan and also reduce the mental abilities. Okay, I will repeat this. The diet without proper contents of micronutrients. When I say the diet in which minerals and vitamins deficiency are there, so such a significant public health problems can arise. Okay, in the food where proper amount of zinc, vitamin, iodine, zinc are not there, iron are not there, those people may suffer from diseases and they can reduce the average lifespan and also reduce the mental abilities. Okay, and also reduces the mental abilities of those people. They might suffer from various disorders. Okay, so what can be done for those people? So what can be done for those people? What we can do is we can do biofortification. So what does the biofortification word means? Biofortification means breeding food crops that are more nutritious. What we can do? We can breed the crops, we can breed the food crops that are more nutritious. We can increase the nutritional value of the food. Okay, what we can do? We can increase the nutritional value of the food. So how it can be done? Biofortification is the process, we will define this process. Okay, is the process of breeding and delivering staple food crops that are naturally enriched with micronutrients. That means we can grow the crops that are naturally enriched with micronutrients. Means we can grow such crops that are having more nutritional value in it, and that too this nutritional value should be present in them naturally, not we should add it artificially. It should be present in them naturally, so that from the base, while growing the crops only, we will add the nutritions in that. Okay, we will breed such type of crops, those who are having more nutritional value. Okay, so due to biofortification, problem of malnutrition can be overcome. We can overcome this problem of malnutrition by growing biofortified food, by the growing the food which are having more nutritional value. Okay, for this, objectives of breeding program should be as follows. When we do biofortification, such following objectives are considered, that are the food or the crops should have more protein content and quality in it. Then it should have good amount of oil content and good quality. Then it should have more amount of vitamin content, and then it should have more micronutrient content and quality. Okay, so while doing biofortification, the objectives that are considered are as follows. There should be more protein content and quality, good amount of oil content and quality, good amount of vitamin content, and good amount of micronutrient content and quality. Okay, so this all objectives are being considered while doing biofortification. Then there are different types of biofortification. Okay, biofortification can be done with the help of fertilizer application. Then it can be done with the help of conventional breeding. It can be done with the help of genetic modification. Okay, by doing changes, by applying rDNA technology. Okay, so different ways we can do biofortification. Okay, and how it differs from fortification. When I say biofortification and ordinary fortification, both are different. Okay, biofortification differs from ordinary fortification. How it differs? Biofortification differs in the way because it focuses on making plant food more nutritious as the plants are growing, rather than having nutrients added to the food when they are being processed. Okay, so is it clear? Biofortification focuses on growing more nutritious food. Okay, growing more nutritious food when the plants are growing, and it does not focus on adding nutrients to the food when they are being processed. So we can see, now we will see the different types of commercially available fortified foods, that are, you can see your cornflakes, Kellogg's, proteins, Cerelac. This all are commercially fortified foods. This all are fortified foods, means more amount of proteins, more amount of nutritions are present in such kind of food, but they are added artificially. They are not present naturally in this. So when I say biofortification, it means in that nutritious things are present in them naturally. So biofortification is such a thing that it focuses on growing the food which will have natural nutritional values in it, not the nutrition added to it when they are being processed. So all these foods which are there on the slide are processed food. In this, the nutrients are added, okay, commercially. So biofortification, we can say, is an upcoming strategy for dealing with the deficiencies of micronutrients in the developing world. Okay, some examples we will see of biofortification. What all are the biofortified food? We have seen, with the help of biofortification, fortified maize having twice the amount of amino acid lysine and tryptophan has been produced. I will repeat, maize having twice the amount of amino acids lysine and tryptophan has been produced. Second example is wheat. A variety name is Atlas 66, has a high protein content, and iron fortified rice has 5 times more iron are developed with the help of biofortification. Okay, wheat, the quality is Atlas 66. It has high protein content, and iron fortified rice that has 5 times more iron are developed. Then vegetable crops like carrot, spinach have more vitamin A and minerals have been produced with the help of biofortification. Then vitamin C enriched bitter gourd, tomato have been developed by IARI, that is Indian Agricultural Research Institute. Okay, so this all examples you have to remember for your exams. Biofortified maize having high amount of amino acid, then wheat Atlas 66 having high protein content, iron rice having 5 times more iron in it, then vegetable crops like carrot and spinach having more amount of vitamin A and minerals, and bitter gourd tomato having more amount of vitamin C. All these are the biofortified foods. So we can say that biofortification is seen as an upcoming strategy for dealing with deficiencies of micronutrients in the developing world. Okay, so we can say that we can have a hope that this small step will bring smile on undernourished small faces. Okay, all the people who are facing the deficiency of nutrition will be getting fulfilled with the help of biofortification technique. So it is an upcoming strategy, we can say, which will deal with the deficiency of micronutrients. Okay, so we can hope that this small step will bring smile on undernourished small faces. Thank you. We will continue this chapter in the next lecture. Okay.